We have successfully run the process import Oracle Fusion data extension for transactional business intelligence. What that does is bring all the objects created from EFF's extensible flex fields to add additional EIT information from the front end form from what we see for an employee, and it will take that into OTBI, so that's transactional business intelligence. So now this has succeeded. If we then navigate over to where we write OTBI reports, so I'll just come over to that area now. And if we create analysis and then select our various subject areas, which are going to be the workforce management ones, which I've already done, then what I would like to see now is the additional objects for Worktribe to be present here now. So now if I search on Worktribe, what we didn't see before and what we see now are eligible, department eligible for Worktribe costs, and also eligible for Worktribe costs, include for costs. And where do we see that? We see that on the front end of an employee. I'll just go there for a minute just to remind ourselves. So go into the Dev3 environment and then come back to the very beginning for my client groups, and we'll look at our employee, for example. So here's person management, and I'll look for Mopsy Rabbit. And for Mopsy, when we drill down on Mopsy on her employment record, so there's Mopsy. And if we go down, we're saying, Mopsy, are you eligible for Worktribe? Yes or no? And not just you, all other employees as well. That's what we want to do. We want to have a report that gives me first name, last name, and also if I go up a bit, it's this additional, this assignment EIT information for these extensive flex fields that were objects created to represent this additional information that we want to report on. So now if I come back to reports, and from there, we can see that the objects are now available here. So I do want eligible for Worktribe costs, and I will take that over, as well as include for costs as well for the assignment. And I also want the first name and last name of employees. So if I go first name and see if we bring that up. Yeah, you can get first name, and also I want last name. And just pulling in last name. Let me try name again. Last name. There we go. I've accidentally clicked action name. Let me click on the daisy wheel and delete that and go for last name. It's probably alphabetical, go down a bit. For last name. JKL. There we are. There's last name. It's evaded me. Got it now. And if I go to results, that will start pumping out and give me results that I want. Yes, so I saw that for a brief second. So I can see eligibility for Worktribe costs, include for costs, first name and last name, which was representative of what we wanted. We want to be able to report on first name and last name of our users, also including the fact whether they're eligible for Worktribe person import, along with the assignment, which is part of the assignment EFF information that we can see over here. So that's the point of this video, to see why we couldn't bring them in, and a process needed to be run that report. It was successful. We then saw the objects within the subject areas within OTBI successfully, which then enabled us to select them very quickly for a simple report to see first name, last name, and Worktribe include for person and assignments. So that is this video.